Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Kia Telluride SX V6 front-wheel drive. This vehicle is amazing. It's loaded. Wait till you see the interior. There's a forward-facing camera. So this vehicle is in ebony black exterior with a gray interior that really pops. It's offered by Lou Fusz KIA in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $44,065. As we slide down the driver's side towards the rear of the vehicle, you get a great look at the 20-inch black finish alloy wheels. We'll show those again on the other side as well. So this vehicle has the acoustic front windshield and front door glass, LED headlamps, LED fog lamps that I already showed, LED tail lamps. As we get in tighter shot on the tailgate, you see the SX V6 badging, LED taillights I already mentioned, LED daytime running lights, power folding, heated outside mirrors with turn signal indicators. And I'll show those again when you put the vehicle in reverse, they tilt. We have highway driver assist, lane keeping assist, vehicle stability management, forward collision avoidance. That was part of the camera we already showed. Rear cross traffic collision avoidance, parking distance warning reverse, smart cruise control with stop and go, blind spot collision avoidance. Take a look at the gray interior with the contrasting color of the headliner, the carpeting, and the side trim. Really pops. So the second row is captain's chairs, and then the third row is a 60/40 fold down rear seats. Here we can see the power sunroof. The second sunroof is stationary. The front is power folding and tilting. I shouldn't say folding, tilting and slides back. As we move to the front driver and passenger, we have both front driver seats are heated and vented leather seats. There you can see the third row, the second row captain's chairs, the power sunroof, and the stationary sunroof. Just an amazing looking vehicle. The center stack, that's a 10.25-inch screen. We'll show that in detail here in a moment. Those controls there on the center stack are for the driver and passenger heated and vented seats. It has a Harman Kardon stereo, which really is a nice stereo. There you see the additional power ports. The USB ports are in the driver and passenger seat for the second row seating. Great dash shot from door to door. So it's a power tilt and sliding sunroof, as I mentioned. Rear fixed glass. We're going to get a great look at that here in a moment. Driver mode select. We'll punch through that here in a moment as well. As we tilt back. So this first sunroof is movable, and then this one is stationary, but nothing but blue sky when it comes to this vehicle. So the driver's seat is power 12-way driver's seat. There again is the Harman Kardon stereo system. 12-way power driver's seat. The memory driver's seat, as well as the memory outside mirrors for the driver. Electronic parking brake. Steering wheel controls. Leather wrap steering wheel with remote controls. There's the manual tilt and telescoping steering column. Here again are the controls for the driver. Memory seat as well as memory. You can see the controls on the door panel there. Memory controls for the seat as well as the mirrors. So we have a Harman Kardon surround audio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, smartphone integration. There you can see the 10.25 touchscreen with map care, smart key and push button start and remote engine start. AM/FM. Then also has the navigation and backup camera with dynamic grid lines. Wireless phone charging, we'll show that in a moment. Tri-zone automatic climate control, so there's a zone for each third row seat, second row, and driver and passenger. Side window curtain for the rear doors. So here we see the navigation. Then you can integrate it with your smartphone. Smart cruise control with stop and go. Rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensors. Safe exit assist. So if you just want to relax, you can listen to these various sounds. We have rain day, very relaxing. You can hear another sound as you're walking through the snow. Here are the heated and vented driver and passenger seat. Additional power ports for the driver and passenger. Bluetooth wireless technology. The electronic parking brake, as well as drive mode select. Here we'll go through the drive mode select. So there are 4, and then there's the one I like, the Sport. Center console with a nice little tray to put pens and change, various small items. Then the glove box contains your owner's manual. Really a nicely equipped vehicle. These are selling so fast. This one, again, sold right after I stopped videoing. As far as storage capacity, we have 21 cubic feet of storage capacity. You fold the seats down, it's 87 cubic feet of storage capacity. It's a smart hands-free power lift gate. We'll show that in a moment. So you push that button and the second row drop down, and then you pull this strap. I had a little bit of a trouble. I'm holding the camera, so it's a little jinky on me. You pull the strap, push the seat forward. Down goes the third row. You push that button, down goes the second row. So if you have snow skis, cross-country skis, here's the electronic rear hatch. Down goes the rear hatch. As far as the engine is concerned, we have a 3.8-liter gas direct injection V6 engine producing 291 horse, 8-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive with drive mode select, 20 miles per gallon city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And check out Lou Fusz at Fusz.com. And there's the forward-facing camera again.